Hey everyone, found this deal at Walmart, figure I'd share it with you. This is the Chemical Guys Wash and Shine Car Cleaning Kit. The kit includes the Chemical Guys Heavy Duty Bucket, Mr. Pink Super Suds Shampoo and Surface Cleaner, Diablo Sprayable Wheel and Rim Cleaner, Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant, Microfiber Wash Mitt, Dirt Trap Bucket Insert. The purpose of the insert is to trap the dirt, as it says. So when you dip your sponge back in, it doesn't catch that dirt you took off the car and put it right back on and potentially scratching it. And as a bonus item, you get a Car Culture snapback hat. If you were to buy these separately, the Total Interior and Diablo are about $12, and Mr. Pink is $10. So you've already exceeded $30, and this kit on sale is for $30, and you get the bucket, the mitt, the cleaners, the bucket insert, and your hat. The in-store price and online price are the same at this point, but I would still check your local Walmart and see if it's available. With all the snow going on all over the place, this is a good addition to your car cleaning kit. Remember to like and subscribe, and let me know if you guys have used other Chemical Guys products. Thank you.